Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
Will be moderated by the academic politician, Dr. Ruben Abati. Discussers such as Evangelist Professor Ebenezer Obey, Laolu Akins, Chief Chris Funolo Kuno, Tony Okoroji, and Dele Momodu. An integral part of today's event will be the launching of the Sir Shino Peters Foundation for the discovery and empowerment of budding musicians.
That we understood lyricism in coded language. Unlike the boys nowadays, these boys, they don't code, they say it straight. All the food items and fruits we know have been converted to music. Banana, cucumber, cassava, very soon, yam. Sir Shino Peters gave us soul.
Ọmọ ènìyàn kò tí tán náà tó wọ́n máa ṣe wà tán tó wọ́n máa táwà tátán.
Ọmọ ènìyàn náà ṣọ́ra o, ọmọ ènìyàn yóò lọ ṣọ́ra o.
Majority ẹ wá gbọ́.
Personal experience, she not give you. This is Model Parish. God bless you for coming.
Jump, and we don't must be done. Jump, and we don't know dance shoes. Tell Mr. DJ to turn on the music. Let the rhythm flow. Where were you when that song was happening?
When, let me tell you one story now. When the first time I heard Ace, Sir Shino with Daniel, when it got to the part of the music that he said 777 is a number, Oluwa Shino, I had to ask my mom, Mommy, 777 is a number, Oluwa Shino. Oye, she won't change the
We have the pleasure of Sir Shino Peters' checkered but interesting journey. I'm pleased to say that we, the organizers, have enjoyed so much in terms of the goodwill that the gentleman has worked for over the years. I wish to put on record, ladies and gentlemen, that most of the people who contributed to today's event have done so almost pro bono. Ezekiel Amos Adamu, CEO Balmoral Event Center, gave us this place which will charge upwards of 5 million naira for, almost free of charge. Larry Obey, son of the grandfather of Juju Music and Chief Ebenezer Obey, CEO of Lands Rock Nigeria Limited, is the owner of this fantastic stage, which he almost donated to us. Your hands please together, this young man, who actually is not in the country now. He is abroad.
You're near. Shame go disturb him, man. If you disturb him, that's it, right? Shame. You look at him, you see the big. Shame. Shame to me.
Space on your missing food for that one. Thank you so much for watching our video. And importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. You have to subscribe. There's a circle here written Gua TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's so. And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.